Hi everybody and welcome to Cole's Control Chaos. This is my first video, so welcome to my channel. I am going to do a haul video and this is with Erin Condren products. So let's get started, and in the background you can see Voodoo. So she'll be inspecting along with me. I'm actually upstairs in her Voodoo lounge to do this unboxing. So I have a bunch of goodies here. So the first item looks like 500 stickers. It says it's from the Sticker Design Book, Monthly Collection Edition 11. Yeah. And then I have the dual tip wet erase markers, the 6-pack. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? It is a Smiley World sticker book fan. Looking forward to starting my 2026 planner, getting that set up with everyone. Oh, this looks like the normal little packet that you get. And it looks like it came with a free pen or a marker of some sort. Nice. What's this? This says it's washi tape sticker pack. Colorful washi. And we have the colorful calendar date dots. Nice. Looks like it's color coordinated. Then I have the washi tape fan. Ooh, nice. Here's my planner. And I went with the dashboard layout. And I love pink. So this is my absolute favorite cover so far. I've always been a vertical planner, and I've seen a lot of interesting things that can be done with the dashboard planner. So I'm looking forward to starting this one. Okay. And then I did get a couple extra covers. So I went with the black and pink. And then this one. I don't remember what it's called, but I just love pink. And then I got it's like the little pocket, the planner folio organizer insert. And I ended up going with, I believe this is the fuchsia color in the folio. Ooh, I'm so looking forward to getting everything set up. So here's a little bit of what's going on, and this will be a next video. So if you like so far seeing subscribe or some haul videos, so we're gonna have sticker videos, we'll have Amazon haul videos, possibly some coloring videos. There's Voodoo. So it'll just be a variety of different videos. I was recently diagnosed with ADHD, and at my age, I'm also in the midst of perimenopause, which is really messed up my ADHD, and it's how I got diagnosed. Kind of also suspecting I might have a touch of autism going on. Hi, pretty girl. So I'm hoping that being able to do this channel with everybody will keep me accountable. That's the word. I want to be held accountable. I want to make sure that I'm sticking to what I want to do, and I'm going to try to get organized this year. So welcome on my journey.